All right, so here we have two TCUs for the Subaru SVX. This one on the left is from my 92 FB. I bought another used one from a 95. It's got the MQ on here. Here's the model numbers. This one obviously has some corrosion on the outside. So from the research, it seems like the early models have problems with the capacitors failing. And so I bought a newer one. My car is having trouble shifting. It could just be the transmission. It had a leak, which I think I've fixed now. And I've got two more transmissions out there that I can put in. One right here. Another one back here. This is, I think, the one that's going to go in if I need to. But first thing to try is the TCU replacement. So I pulled off this board here on this one, and first thing you notice, I don't know if it's from manufacturing, but there's like goo all over these capacitors and on the edge of these guys over here. I mean, this looks like it's a transistor of some sort, and it's got that. I mean, maybe they coated it with some sort of epoxy, but it's everywhere. But you can obviously see that burned out capacitor right there. So most of these are looks like a little smaller. I'll have to look and see. What size these are actually. Let's see if we can see right here. So looks like 56 microfarad, 16 volt. So yeah, that one's definitely blown out. So can definitely affect the line pressure and the shift points. So I may just try and replace those on here. I don't know, maybe not, but this board's definitely better. So I'm gonna put the top back on here, put it in the car, and hopefully that'll make at least the shifting better, because it's gotten progressively worse.